think they're kind of almost done.
What's that?
This is setup, guys. It's actually really dark, really, so
Go back with Mama.
can't really see the setup, actually.
Where would we get like a lighter?
Can't really see anything. Keaton! Peyton, are you okay? You really like can't see anything. Tired. Oh, everything.
I can't remember where my cigarettes are. Right here, Bill. Where? Yeah. Thanks. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna get in trouble if I don't turn something.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do some sparklers. Still can't see anything.
Here's one.
Wow. Okay, good.
Thank you. Let me see.
Here's the fountain, guys.
How do you do it?
If my camera did something, it's because I was getting people bombarded. I think they did something for my recording button. So, yeah. Isn't it pretty?
Forgot to tag you.
Hey, guys, I got poppers. Didn't. I totally missed it.
We're not recording a
Oh, missed it. Oh, well. Okay, guys, I'm recording again, and I gotta throw one. Why does it not light up on the camera? I don't get it. Oh, well. There it is, guys. Right above. I feel sparks. I felt sparks, guys. I'm gonna move. Sorry I'm not getting very many, guys, but fine, I don't feel any sparks. Okay. Yeah. 'Cause I don't know if I'll feel sparks there at you or not. Get it. Oh my god, he is so...
Guys, can you stop being mean to him?
Well, now they're chasing away.
Here it goes.
Oh, it's spiking. I can record for 16 minutes on my tablet though, so... That shouldn't be too much of a problem! Oh, sparks.
Didn't feel any sparks.
I saw some.
You can see them, but you can't feel them.
I remember one time a spark actually landed on Mom one year at the old house. I feel like I should scan over more.
Oh, that
Ooh, that was pretty, wasn't it, guys? Last year we did it in our driveway. We can do it in the yard again now. As you guys know, in the other special.
I forgot why we did this driveway last year.
I think it's because we were late and we couldn't really get a setup. Yeah, run away, guys.
Oh yeah. This is what I felt sparks earlier. I didn't feel anything this time.
I don't want to smell the soda.